Ilocano. March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until the show is Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand that speaking they have done, because Castilla gave that waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, whom upon meet him they were very happy. All people were baptized aboard the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning our Catholic life. When Magellan sitting Mactan to Christianize then everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the and dragged Magellan to go back home. Magellan got so mad, ordered his men, oh come up blood, Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. They battled hard and down, bullets, spear versus gun and cannon. When Magellan was all set his feet, they stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick, call doctor, doctor, very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? And my mama do not cry. My mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry.
That's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan. Long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.
Pahamak kagamin.